Following up on Yellow Flash's opinion of video in regards to ReyLo's, those who ship Rey Palpatine with Ben Solo, aka Kylo Ren. Can I ask you morons a question? You spoot-headed morons a question. Do any of you not realize that that ship is incest? I'm not joking. I mean, Rey is Palpatine's granddaughter through her father. On the other hand, Kylo, aka Ben, and I mentioned this in my brief Rise of Skywalker review on New Year's Eve 2019, going into the start of last year. But that said, I'll reiterate it. Based on a Disney Star Wars comic, Palpatine basically used the Force to impregnate Shmi Skywalker, Anakin's mother, or without being in physical contact with her. So by proxy, that makes him Anakin's father, and then Anakin the father of Luke and Leia. Leia being the mother of Kylo. Therefore, which makes not only Palpatine Luke and Leia's grandfather, but it also makes him Ben's great-grandfather. Therefore, Rey and Kylo are first cousins, at least once removed, moved by way of their grandfather, of Luke's grandfather, of Rey's grandfather, and Kylo and Ben's great-grandfather through her father and his mother, respectively. I mean, I've already said that what Disney did to Star Wars makes me sick. To the point I'm just ready to smash my head against a wall. But what these ReyLo shippers are trying to do makes me sick to the point I want to barf in their faces if I ever cross paths with one. It's just nauseating that these people would support this crap heap of a maldeveloped ship. And I put emphasis on calling it a crap heap. Does anyone genuinely like this ship? Not me. And I'd be hard-pressed to find anyone that does. Me, I'm more of a Rey Poe guy. If she was going to end up with anyone, it should have been Poe. Not Ben. And thank God they killed Ben off in the end of the Rise of Skywalker. Because that would have made things too damn awkward. But believe me, when a second sequel trilogy comes out, things are going to get worse for the franchise. I mean, when Disney got the rights to Star Wars and Lucas finally gave them their blessing to do a sequel trilogy, they weren't going to honor his wish and keep everything intact. They were going to sabotage it to fit a woke agenda. Now, Force Awakens, I didn't have many problems with it, as I mentioned. Last Jedi, when I read the plot synopsis, I was sickened. Rise of Skywalker was the straw that broke my back. I mean, it's why I don't take my lightsaber out for any other day other than May 4th, just to post my May the 4th be with you photo for Facebook. Look, every year. Which I've done for the past 3 years. I hate what Kathleen Kennedy, Rian Johnson, and all the other schmuck-headed fucks at Disney have done to a franchise I grew up with as a kid. True, I didn't I mean, I started watching with the 97 special edition cuts of the original trilogy. And it was a mixed bag with the prequel trilogy, but I was okay with it. But the sequel trilogy, disgusting all across the board, especially with the last two films. I mean, let's face it, Force Awakens and Rogue One were the best that Disney pumped out for the franchise, and The Mandalorian until they sacked Gina Carano. Disney has become a cancer unto itself. And I can't support them anymore. That's all I've got to say about this. Mets212 signing out. Goodbye. Good night. Bang.